here?
I do. I just mimic you and I look smart. Well, sometimes.
I mimic him too all the time. At least 4 days a week.
We make fun of each other all day long.
Oh, God. Oh, trust me, yeah. All day long.
It's dirty jokes and
Yeah, especially considering his mom's now adopted me.
yeah.
Yeah, I met his mom.
Yeah.
She's an absolute trip.
She's teeny.
Okay.
There you go.
Yes, turn.
I'll hold it.
Turn, put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Deeper, harder, faster.
Scotty, calm down.
That was so demanding.
I've never heard of such a thing.
What, deeper, harder, faster?
I went to,
it's off.
oh, it is. I went to Catholic school.
No, there's a washer.
So did I.
No, I did not.
Now we gotta
Oh,
get.
I did.
Don't forget the ones on the bottom, boys.
And a screwdriver.
Holy cross.
And get a
Give me
screwdriver.
a screwdriver.
Fresh out of vodka.
There we
Let
go.
me get a little park pen for us.
Should be enough. Yeah, it is.
There we go.
It just slips it. Take it off altogether.
Then just slip it down back. Let it hang back there. It's fine. And then getting it off of here because it's been on here a while, but it hasn't seen any heat other than ambient.
Might it
So you
just
should
pop
be
up?
able to pull
Like my neighbor across the
carefully.
street, gardener was killing all the roses that I gave her, and I came in and was like, you need to stop doing this.
You might want to take.
This is what you need to do. or
Scotty.
it's twice the size.
Can you go find us a little hooker for the hose? You are a hooker for the hose, but
Not good for you.
oh no, Scotty might just on.
Don't break it, Scotty.
Yeah, you break
Do you
it.
need a little fry thing? Or?
Old Italian metal.
Oh, no, this is new Italian metal.
No, it's old Italian metal that's been reconditioned by my radiator guy, who's
Oh, that's
incredible,
fine.
by the way.
Is he?
Do you need the little
We got a
plastic-
guy that
We got
does
a-
the thing.
We got a guy.
I can get the little plastic pry tools to
You want to get the little hooker?
Yeah, just be on the safe side. I mean, I got it broke free,
put
but...
this.
Oh, girl's getting the
Oh,
hooker.
actually, if you undo this one, we can just pull up and then pull off. Make it easier.
Let's leave as much together as we possibly can.
Plastic fry.
And then we got to get down here.
Do we know what size those are?
I believe 10. It might be 13. It's been 2 years since I bolted it in, so don't ask me.
And we got, we've got one down here too.
And you got the hose, yes. Pry Chingus. Pry Chingus.
A smaller one or?
Nope. We're going to undo this one,
Scotty
pull
wants to
up,
undo.
and then pull off.
Scotty wants to undo here. Give Scotty a screwdriver.
Scotty.
Look at me using the wrong tool, but it works.
Yeah.
So the Canadian was talking to his mom about she had that.
Look at you guys. Look at we got people doing stuff.
It's like what? They're in Canada. So she was all like, his driving. He didn't have like
Yes. Easy there, He-Man. You're moving the whole damn motor.
It's gonna need new motor mounts when Scotty's done muscling this thing.
Well, wait, can I pull this motor? Take it to the machine shop. We set it on my tailgate, and I stood in the bed of my truck, picked it up, and took it all the way to the front of the truck. It weighs nothing.
Well, it's 1100 cc's.
Yeah, it's like a
And these all these actors.
Unbridled power.
unbridled.
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 Wild country.
Okay, that's really
Wild country. Ooh, Avon reference. Mama would be proud.
Freak out, and they start explaining what you're supposed to do, and then she's like, "I'm gonna put light pressure on your breast," and she's like,
Are you pulling on your hose, Scotty?
Something like that.
"Press your bra." And she's like, "You're supposed
So you got a good fit on
So
that.
then the main actress opens the window,
Try it or anything.
and then like I'll
Trying to get the hose for this was not easy either.
No.
But it's like two different size fixtures on it. Isn't
Oh
it?
yeah, and they're vastly different. And you guys are gonna freak out when you see the thermostat.
confidence
What's freaking out?
drain since it's sat for a week. And
The thermostat.
Was it tiny?
Now the other alternative
It's
is
screws in.
Paper clip.
Screws in?
Yes. Screws in. Yeah, that's the surprise look I wanted. Where's Tom? Where's Tom?
I don't know.
worked on the carburetor before.
We're missing Tom. We have to get on his.
Hey man, I got a day pass from the home tool.
Fixed it again.
Be careful. Oh, from the home. God.
Girl, she got like a radiator hose pick.
You need a pick? I can get a pick.
Well, it's a
Yeah, it's a
big
little.
pick. Yeah.
Like for your pro?
It's going to...
There it went.
There we go.
All right, now you got to get the bottom one.
Michael called that day. Do you remember? Okay, Chris, did you ever watch any Star Trek?
The what?
Star Trek, like Voyager. Okay. So
Well, that might be your.
you remember Spaceballs?
You need a little picture of Wilvis.
We gotta get the bottoms.
Actually, the guy who played Tuvok.
All right, get the bottom out.